Hi everyone, this is Lillian Lei from IBM. I'm a corporate social responsibility manager for university education. I've been showing previously how to use IBM Bob to build a website for myself, and then from simple to adding additional features. You can look at the previous uh, build Bob builds it uh, paid video recordings. But today I'm gonna have this quick video to talk about how you can download IBM Bob for free, test it yourself. IBM Bob is a software development lifecycle partner for everyone. I'm talking about from software engineers, professionals, to anyone that wanted to build an application that may not have the programming background. Simply use prompting, and then Bob will create the plans, the to-do list for you, and then execute based on those to-do lists, creating various pages for you, and then realize your goal for you. So there are two ways that you can use IBM Bob for free for the 30-day trial. Let me just share my screen here. I'm gonna look up on my uh, laptop here. So I will provide the download links on the bottom of this video. IBM Bob free trial. You fill out this information. You can use whether a Google email address, and then identify whether you are an adult learner or a student. If you are a student, specify what university you are going to, or if you are a recent grad, just say what university you graduate from. Of course, which state you are from, California, New York. This is available for everyone in the US. And then you just submit the form. I think it takes a couple of days for you to receive an email from IBM with the link, more instructions, and the link where to download IBM Bob. It is an application that you download and install on your desktop or your computer, okay? The second way to do it is for university and community college students. We have a summer AI Builder Challenge with IBM Bob. Students uh, can use 30 days to build applications and compete for a prize pool of $15,000. This is very exciting for students. If you start in July, you have to submit by the end of July, and if you start in August, you have to complete by the end of August. It's basically using the 30-day trial to build something exciting. And based on what you saw before, I can build something, a simple website in 20 minutes with IBM Bob. And you have 30 days to do it, right? 30 days, you can build an application every day, and you would have 30 days to do it, right? Just to be mindful that once your trial start, that is the beginning of your 30-day trial, and then you just have to utilize the free trial. In this AI Builder Challenge, you should, if you are trying to compete for a prize, you should look at the submission requirements, right? Before you even download and install. And also look at the judging criteria because, you're not talking about a proof of concept, building a website for yourself. The judging criteria is technical execution, innovation, uh, challenge fit, feasibility, and real world impact. We're talking about, how to improve human lives. We're not just building your own website, but how to help your community based on your own background and use case, right? So think about what you're going to build before you even download and install. Because once you download and install, the free trial start, and you only have a 30-day free trial. Okay, so I was showing everyone that IBM, after you register, you fill out the form. After a few days, IBM will send you a website, a download link. I'll just show you how it looked like. Because I already did it. But I want you to see how simple it is. Based on your operating system, you could use Windows, Mac, Intel, Mac, ARM, and Linux, right? They are different operating systems. When I saw this, I'm like, which one should I select? I use a Mac. So what you do, they give you further instruction. Okay, so make sure to read it. We're smart people, right? We read instruction and we follow instructions. Tips for Mac users. If you are not sure which version to download, is that Mac Intel or Mac ARM, select Apple menu about this Mac to see your chip type. For Mac M1 or up, choose Mac ARM. Okay, for Intel, choose Mac Intel. So these are the two choices here. I found out based on my about this Mac page, mine is Apple M4. So I downloaded the Mac ARM. I click Mac ARM, and I basically use the .k the package .pkg file. So once you click this, you download it on your directory, and then you unpack it, and then you follow the step to install the package. And at the end of the installation, it will say, do you want to just delete this PKG file? And I say yes. So I cannot show you how this PKG file look like. So the other thing that you should look at is the Bob doc, the documentation page. Okay. I am an IBMer, so it took me to an internal IBM Bob page. For external people, it will give you the direction to go to the Bob documentation. Okay. So what I would say is to go look at the quick start page to get started quickly about the Bob IDE and how to launch Bob. I can also show you how to launch Bob real quick. I want to show you this. So on my Launchpad, Bob, after I unpacked and install Bob, it shows up here, right? I just click on it, and this is how Bob look like on my, it's an IDE, right? Development environment. Okay, so that's it. Very simple installation. Again, I want to keep this video short. I will provide the two links for you to use and download it. Make sure to read the instructions. As of the good software engineer, if you are not a software engineer yet, you can be an aspire software engineer and read the instructions. Bob will show you step by step how to build an application. Okay, have fun building with Bob, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.